A Singaporean scholar has said China's economy is expected to regain momentum in 2023, despite external challenges including the U.S. interest rate hike that continues to impose pressure on the fragile global economy. Tan Kong Yam, economics professor at Singapore's Nanyang Technological University, said in a recent interview with Xinhua that China is much less vulnerable to U.S. rate hikes thanks to its large economy with robust domestic demand.
China is actually, compared to other countries, much less vulnerable to U.S. interest rate hike. Because China is a large economy, it has a big domestic demand market. So for China, the critical thing is domestic policy, which is, domestic market and everything that is a more important driving force in the overall economy compared to US interest rate. Now, more critically, China's big economy has also become a major growth locomotive for the other East Asian countries. China's growth is very, very important for the other Asian countries because it's the largest trading partner of these countries. So the most important thing for China in contributing to the other East Asian economies and countries' development is to improve China's own domestic growth, increasing domestic stimulus, increasing domestic growth and business confidence, and that caused the growth to increase, which moved the Chinese GDP growth higher and act as a locomotive for the other Asian countries.